Hi everyone. Hi there. Today I'm going to be going through the phase 2 sounds, recapping those. I'm going to teach the first consonant digraph in phase 3, and we're going to then write some words using that sound and eventually write a sentence using the sound. And then at the end we'll go through our phase 3 sight words and decodable words. Okay, so here's our phase 2 sounds. I'll show them to you. You say the sound and then I'll say it with you. S, a, I, n, d, g, o, e, a, b, all, s. Well done, everyone. I'm going to go through the phase 3 sounds that will have already been taught by the time this consonant digraph is taught. W, y, z, x, z, j. Well done. Okay, so today's sound that we're going to learn is the sound ch. Can you say ch? Fantastic, well done. This is a 2-letter sound called a digraph. So it's 2 letters, 1 sound. Ch. Very good, well done. Can you think of any words with the ch sound in them? Chips. Well done. I like chips. Cheese. Very good. Chin. Rich. Oh, that one's got a ch sound at the end of the word. Well done. So we're going to read a couple of words with the ch sound in now. Here we have one of our words with the ch sound at the end of the word. Let's sound it out together. Ich. Rich. Rich. Ich. Rich. Well done. So we're segmenting the word in order to blend together to read. So we're blending the sounds to make the word. Now this is an alien word. So this is one of our alien words. Now, our alien words can be sounded out and blended together to make a word, but they don't always make sense. But we learn lots of alien words in Year R and Year 1 so that we know that we're using our phonics sounds correctly. So let's sound this one out together. O, ch. O, ch. O, ch. Moch. Moch. Okay, so those sounds have been blended to make the word moch. Well done, everyone. I wonder if you can think of any alien words. What I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to think about writing a word with the ch sound. So our letters that we need for our ch sound are the letters C and H. Those letters make the ch sound. I'm going to write a word with the ch sound in it. Then I'd like you to write some words for me. So the word I'd like to write is the word chips. So I need to think about what sounds I need in my word. I can hear the sound ch to start with, so I need to write my ch sound. Ch. Then what sound can I hear? Can you tell me what sound comes next? Very good. I. Ch. I. Ch. I. P is my next sound. Ch. I. What sound comes at the end of my word chips? Well done, it's the S sound. So we've got ch, I, p, s. This is our consonant digraph, and these are graphs, because these are one letter making one sound. These are two letters making one sound. Well done. So you've written the word chips. You've helped me to write it. Now let's see if you can go and write some words of your own with the ch sound in. See if your mummies and daddies can help you with that. When you've written some, I'd love it if you can post some in a picture onto either my Facebook page or my channel so that I can see your lovely work. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to go and write those words, and then we're going to write a sentence together. Enjoy writing your words. Okay, so I hope you had fun writing your words. Now we're going to use our ch sound in a word within a sentence. So the sentence I'm going to write today is going to be, I can get chips. I can get chips. And if we want to extend the sentence and make it slightly longer, we could write, I can get chips in a bun. Okay, so I'm going to be using I can get chips as the sentence that we can start with. And if we're confident and want to write more, we can write I can get chips in a bun. Okay, so our first part of our sentence is 4 words long. We're going to say the sentence 3 times to make sure it's in our head. I can get chips. I can get chips. I can get chips. Let's write that first part together. I. Remember your finger space. Can. K. A. N. I can get. G. E. T. I can get chips. This is our sound for today. Ch. Our letters we need for the ch sound are C and H. Ch. I. P. S. I can get chips. If that's the end of your sentence, you need to pop your full stop just there. Okay? If you want to carry on and write your sentence, make it a bit longer, you could write, I can get chips in a bun. So I'm going to carry on and extend my sentence. I can write chips, I can get chips in a bun. Bun. And the end of our sentence always needs to have a full stop. Hopefully you can see that okay. I've got some lovely bright sunshine behind me. I'm hoping you can see that okay. I can get chips in a bun. Now I'd like you to go and think of your own sentences that you could write with a word that's got the ch sound in it. Ch. Okay, once you've written those with your mums and dads or on your own, then take a picture and share them with me because I'd love to see them. Okay, finally, we're going to just run through our sight words, okay? These are our sight words from phase 3. And these ones are our, what we call our, we just have to learn by sight. And then there are some that are decodable. Oh, sorry. So these are our sight words, and then we'll do our decodable words. He, me, be, are, we, you, she, all, they, her, my, was. Those are our sight words. These are our decodable phase 3 words. Down, will, for, look, with, see, to, that, then, them, this, now. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and tune in again if you want to go on to learn our next consonant digraph. Have a good day.